hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can reset a poll response on someone's Instagram story easily. Now in order to do it, simply open the Instagram on your smartphone. Simply go to your profile on the below right corner and click on the three lines on the top right corner, and here you need to find the options of your activity. Simply go over there and here you'll see this option that says sticker responses. Just simply tap over there. Now all the poll stickers that you have been responded will be listed over there, and with the response that you have done. Now in order to simply reset the response, simply select and delete that particular response from here. Currently I haven't done any yet. That's why I'm not able to see anyone right there, but you'll find all the sticker responses right there. Simply delete it from right here. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.